Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Orinda, local and long-distance movers near me. Our expert movers understand how to make sure your long-distance move does not include all the stress. Whether you're moving one state over or you want to move across the country, we're here to assist you. Our moving services provide you all the right choices to individualize your move for your specific needs. We take care of all the needed moving options, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Working with a local California moving company might seem unnecessary initially. However, following a close look at the major benefits of working with a local California moving company, you will likely see that it's well worth it. You will definitely save time with your local relocation if you hire a moving company. Movers may also ensure you don't have to think about injury, since you will not have to do any heavy lifting. Our moving crews make it very easy to get to your new location without having nearly as much worry. You never need to stress over devoting multiple days dealing with your move when you pick 3 movers to help. Moving locally can be very fast, and our team can handle even a large move in just one evening. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Orinda moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.